Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit or delete a sent message in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Hover over the message you want to edit, and a reaction and edit menu appears above it. Click the edit button to open edit mode with your original message. Make your changes, in this example adding the word important, then click the checkmark to save. Your message updates and an edited tag appears underneath. To delete a message, hover over it and click the three dots to open the menu. Click delete, and the message is replaced with, "This message has been deleted." Click undo to restore the message if you change your mind. Keep in mind that edited messages show an edited tag permanently, so anyone in the chat can see it was changed. The undo option for deleted messages only sticks around for a few seconds. Once it disappears, the message is gone for good. If you need to delete a message in a large channel, other people may still have seen it before you removed it, so double check before you send anything sensitive. And that's how to edit or delete a sent message in Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.